How to enable speedometer in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can enable speedometer in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable speedometer in your Google Maps, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Google Maps application here. As you've done that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right and then just navigate to settings. And once you navigate to settings, what you want to do is simply scroll down here. You'll find the option labeled as navigation settings. Make sure to tap on that option. As you tap on navigation settings, you simply want to scroll down here and you'll find the option called driving options, and under driving options you'll find speedometer. So if it is turned on in blue color, it means that it is already turned on. So if it is turned off and grayed out like this, it means that speedometer is currently disabled. To enable it, you just want to make sure to turn it on. This way you can enable speedometer in your Google Maps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.